Hola bafowethu, nto zabantu lona. Welcome to another episode of Football Fusion. Nani niyazi ke bafowethu, angihambe ngedwa, ngihamba no.
Shut bafethu kunjani Kamara Maintain Focus Well Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion bafethu sibuyile and sisazoloku sithe after another one because you guys are showing us too much support and we appreciate that, so we just want to say please like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you love football, your friends love football, share with them. Let's engage on the comments. Thank you.
Yebo baba. Yeah, I'm guys, I also appreciate what you guys are doing. Even
Yeah,
on
it's
the
too much.
comments, we appreciate it a lot, guys. We'll continue delivering
I say
good
lo
content to
ngaphandle
you.
kwenu bafethu.
Yebo baba. But without further ado, Mfakaswela, today we are looking at we'll start with the PSL
Okay.
because there are some good developments. I know
For
today
which team?
you are wearing
For
a
which
Kaizer
team?
Chiefs jersey, but
Okay.
there's not so much about Kaizer Chiefs. I will talk about Pirates first. Pirates, what do you make of Orlando Pirates?
Nothing.
Okay.
Be specific. What do I make of Orlando Pirates? There's nothing I make. I'm not a fan.
Okay. Yeah, what I go to judge.
I'm being honest. Yes.
This guy is supporting guys,
Okay.
everything. It's even worse today. He's even wearing a uniform.
Yeah.
So, but we spoke offline. We spoke about coach. Last time I know, even myself, I didn't label him very well. But apparently there was an interview that he did
With Robert Marau.
Yes, with Robert Marau when he was still at Marumo Gallants. Talk about that. Tell.
I hate how
tell
I hate how we Pirates it rebule much there is South Africa. Firstly.
Yeah.
With that coach.
Yes.
Everyone was saying Urulani is in final stages of talks with Pirates. I think there was someone in the show you were also excited to say Urulani is coming to Orlando Pirates, but it never happened.
No, you guys know. I've always been a Rulani fan. Even Namanje, I still stand by my decision to
but the coach
Rulani is the correct guy. But we will support the coach.
Yeah.
Another thing about the coach, I like the ambition. Yes, we don't know much about him, but the ambition that he has when he talks, like that's one thing that we can be drawn to, so that we see how does this guy do things, So, but Umara maybe
No, what happened? What happened in that thing? Ugutitina, Marau, Robert Marau, shout out to Robert Marau. So in the end, he was asked would he want to coach the Pirates, and then he said, "Who wouldn't want to coach the biggest club in the world?" So that was including Pirates and Chiefs and Santa type of thing, And then there was also a question where he mentioned about Dali, like, I love Umbule and I love Umayema from Sundowns, But because obviously all of us were like, okay, what's happening? We never understood the project because the only person who understood the project was Ivan Kwazi, Dr. Ivan Kwazi. So all of us we were like, okay, this guy, because coaching Marumo with his quality, maybe he wants quality, We didn't see it coming, We didn't see the blue lights there.
You know why I'm laughing? I'm laughing because now
okay, fine.
Chiefs wanted to
wait. We never touch on Bull. So to wrap up on the coach, I'm saying the coach, as much as we share 8-1, as much as we share 8-1, but I believe with a good quality. Because I mean Marumo Gallants was not playing bad football.
In fact, he took them from the relegation.
Uguti shower 8 plus shower, and it doesn't mean that at 10. Now number 6, we are 6.
When 6?
I'm just saying in history.
Which year?
Don't ask me yes, but it's Super Sport Extra 6, Santana Extra 6.
We're talking about history now.
Even Nalo 8 Oshai Marume's history.
Okay. No,
Yes.
that means we'll mention it again in maybe in episode
No, it's fine. It's fine.
2028.
It's fine. So,
Because it's talking about
but what I was
something
trying
that
to
is
say,
very old.
what I was trying to say, because you're mentioning it, I wanted to quickly go to the issue of the players of report by the Pirates. Actually, to be specific,
Yeah.
Sipho Mbuli.
Mm,
Because that guy did mention Uguti, we am trying to Sipho Mbuli.
yeah.
Robert
And he said
Marau.
that yena engakwazi revive.
Yes.
So
Udinga
we are
management prop.
we are waiting to see. Yes,
Yes. That's what he's saying. Yes.
That's his way. We are waiting.
But all of us, we never thought it's okay. Go Pirates. But me, behind my head, immediately the coach was announced.
Mhm.
Then after I watched that thing, I was like, no man, there's no way Chiefs is getting on board.
Mm. Yeah.
That guy is interested in bull. Chiefs. I don't want to talk about Chiefs. Let's talk about bull.
Yeah. Yeah. Izolo, honestly speaking, Orlando Pirates surprised us.
Surprising and Balande.
It's surprising.
Yeah, Kasulatin.
Yeah, but and at some point, I didn't write this to you, but it was in my mind. I wanted to say, hey, I like the fact that you guys are now refreshing on the Pirates pages to see more
Who's next?
new coming.
Who's next?
news.
Umayela, no, the pyramids of Monarch Pirates.
Yeah.
A pirate is
It's
cooking.
possible.
A pirate
It's
is
possible.
cooking. So,
Yeah.
but with the Pombul, I know maybe his behavior has not been good, or any attitude has not been good. But when he's on the field, he's always been an amazing player, and we cannot take that away from anyone or from here. No, we can't.
Yeah.
No one can lie and say he's a bad player.
Yes.
They will rather tell you, but his attitude. No. But on the field, he's a good player.
No, it's fine. Orlando Pirates will make sure that he shines even more.
And looking at Orlando Pirates with the quality players you guys have, it's gonna make it easy for him to play.
True.
You know, because you have so many young boys that are energetic, and when you pass controlling in the middle of the park, it's easy to get your relay. It's easy to get your quarters. You know,
even the strikers.
Yeah. It's easy to get your.
True.
What's his name?
Bahopa.
As a dangerous, yes. But on a serious note, I'm just saying that guy is gonna shine in Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
And look, you have Mbacha there, you have Makete, and then you have him. Actually,
we have
quality there.
We have there's this guy we took from Stellenbosch. Unduli.
Yeah, Unduli.
Yeah.
Proper stuff.
Count on Makaula.
Look, we not we done well for us. We slowly even not talking about Utito.
That's true.
Which means Pirates, if we are being fair, they are cooking.
Yeah.
The only thing that is questionable that we are yet to find out is whether the chef can use the ingredients that they have.
Chef. You know the chef. All the chefs. You mean the cook
chefs come and go.
Yeah. Chef Rames. Yeah. You know the chefs.
Yeah, so with Sipombula,
they can be able to come up with something.
Sipombula is a good signing.
Yeah. No.
But now
that one pick ups. We just have to manage him.
I just hope you guys can really manage him. Yeah. But at the same time, I don't think he behaved how he wanted to behave because he's like that. It could have been that he was not happy where he was. Maybe he wanted out of Santa.
Another thing, maybe he hasn't been in a bigger team. Because let's be honest. Yes, Mamelodi Sundowns is playing at the Club World Cup, but a
you know,
team is a big team. You see that?
I'm thinking of something. You're correct.
Yes.
You know what's gonna happen? He's gonna play a game, right?
Yes.
And then after the game, Orlando Pirates fans will be cheering at him. He will feel loved. He will feel welcome.
Exactly.
Unlike being cheered by 57 fans. or 10 fans.
Hey,
You know,
remember, some of them are here in Durban, so hey, I won't mention names,
yes.
but
So,
yeah,
but I want to say
it's
that's
less
I
than
mean, like
fifty-seven.
he's gonna feel welcome. He's gonna feel loved. He's gonna feel that. And nobody wanted to disappoint him.
Mm, mm,
Also, born with you know, here I need to give my A game. But yeah, it's a good signing for you, my guy. It's
yeah.
fine. It's a good signing. But I was wondering why Chiefs didn't sign him.
Okay. I think yeah. That's a good question because remember what the rumors were saying that
He was offered to Chiefs.
his agent offered him to Chiefs.
Free agent. That one is a free player.
Mamelodi Sundowns terminated his contract.
Yes. So it's a free. We're not
Imagine.
spending. Fuck on.
Yo, yeah, ne? But it's fine. It is what it is. Let's move on, man. I saw. Okay, no, let's finish about Pirates first. What do you make of Orlando Pirates? Because yesterday, hey, they surprised us. They released the
There is a
jersey as
chase.
well.
Then they
Hey, that
released
was the first thing, in fact. Elijah did just the Pirates.
It is Pirates.
Honest, be
Honest. I'm being
honest,
honest.
please.
I'm being honest. I'm a hater, I know.
Yeah, I know.
But
You hate
the
Pirates.
black chase of Orlando Pirates, for me, I don't see much different.
Mhm.
With
Yeah.
I don't see much different.
Honestly speaking.
Maybe the Adidas is red, that one was white, but
Mm.
red and black is more like
Anyways, the colors are still the
same
same
thing.
colors.
And then with the
Yeah.
one,
Even the way they use them,
and then
it's less of red,
no
and more of
creativity.
black. So
The home jersey, no creativity.
I think Adidas, if we were to review Adidas as a whole, because it's the same thing that you see in Madrid, you see something with Bayern,
maybe
and other
maybe that's how Adidas. Even
Arsenal. Yes, even Arsenal.
Yes, because
This year they've got a line.
yes.
They
They don't make
say
too much
they've got a
changes.
line. So now we have to be crazy about this line. I don't know what he got technology.
You have a jersey for previous season, it even have a line. Then this season have a line.
You have a line. That's the only difference if you check it, guys. But that doesn't make us not buy it, guys. Hey, let's buy that Orlando Pirates.
No, that one Pirates jersey
Yeah.
is the same like that
Yeah.
home. But the away one.
Hey, the away one.
Yo. No, it's not bad.
Hey, the away one. Mina ngathi nje for football fans, liyadeleleka the away one. But mina
It's
for
not
me,
bad. You'll get used to it.
it's a very good jersey. I think there's
The away one.
creativity that they yes. It's there's creativity there,
Trying to be zebra.
but at the end of the day, if you check, I check here from the Macolas, it looks exactly as the one we had, the black one that we had.
Yeah.
The color is the same. You see that red line that goes here? It's out. It's
No, it's
exactly the same. The only difference now it's that it's V-neck.
No, it's not.
see?
It's not a bad jersey. It's just that maybe usually Pirates will play with one color jersey and one color.
Yeah.
Like you once had your orange.
Mm.
You had like a blue, what? No, those colors,
Yeah.
white.
Yeah.
And then this one, hey,
hey, they keep on surprising us.
hey.
But
it
shows
not
creativity
bad, it's
somehow.
I'll give it a solid 6.
Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy, man. Another thing, not everyone will like what Pirates does.
You like it?
We know what
You like it?
Pirates.
You like it?
They race.
You like
when it comes to fashion,
You like it?
I do like it.
You like these two jerseys?
I do like.
You like these two jerseys?
That one.
Which
No,
one?
the away one.
You don't like the home one?
The home one,
guys, tell us. Out of 10, Wareta, how many of these jerseys? Okay, let's leave the home one because the home one is not different. Yeah. Let's just talk about the away one. Out of 10, I'm giving it a solid 6. I'm not impressed with that jersey. Maybe it will grow. Sometimes things grow to you. Then no matter the moon to
another thing, maybe muscle born and to see the actual fabric. You'll change your mind because there are things that you don't see when you see a jersey over internet or when you see a jersey over the phone. But muscle born like live, you say, "Oh, this is nice,"
I'll go look at it at Gateway. I'll let you know.
All right, no
Yeah.
problem. Moving on, guys.
Which
I'm
one?
laughing because Kaiser Chiefs. I think they saw this coming with Mbole, and then they made a signing of that guy. Who's
Ethan
that guy
Christian.
from? Oh, I don't even know
Oh, I
the
know it's
name.
Ethan.
I only know Ethan.
But those were rumors. Chiefs didn't
Yeah,
confirm anything. But like our top journalists in South
yeah,
Africa, they are confirming it that it's like this.
yes, yes,
And we've
yes.
seen a lot of videos. But with these players, a lot of videos we've seen, but you
Yeah.
will never know whether what
Another
you see in the
thing.
video. Remember, PSL is different, Mama.
True.
PSL,
Yeah.
PSL is something else. That if
Mm,
you look at Club World Cup, look at the North African teams, how
mm,
they are doing. Look at how a South African team like Memezan is doing. So you can tell that
mm,
the environment changes.
yes.
But that guy, that Ethan, is South
Mm,
African.
yes.
PT, he left when he was young. I think Kubaba Kebela, many Rangers picked them the days.
Oh, okay. You've
Yes.
made some research about him.
No,
Okay.
not exactly.
That's
But I'm
good.
just saying.
That's good.
But the reason why I'm talking like this, Uguti, Ngenza, we have lost Umbule, ne?
Mm.
But look at the level of Kaizer Chiefs.
Only
We didn't know him. Then he
Mm,
came, and you can see with that guy is a threat.
mm,
Good scorer, machine. If it's all engine, for you all guys lose over credit. So now look, we're getting Ethan.
yeah.
If that's actually happening.
Okay.
If Ethan is coming to Kaizer Chiefs,
Okay. Let me confirm something. That means you are happy with Lilep.
it's long as ne?
Okay. Ujabulile
But in the
ngoLilep.
presence, in the absence
Oh, absence the
of the
present at the
best,
same time.
in the absence, I mean, in the absence of the best,
Yeah.
usebenzisa what? The good.
Okay. Ukushaya ngomqondo bafethu ngiyawuvuma-ke kodwa kulungile.
Ukuthi umbulu
Let's say
siyamazi,
yeah, we use the
we
good.
know what Mbule can offer. We've
Yeah.
seen it. But with
Mm,
Ethan, we can't judge him before he plays.
yeah.
That's why I'm making an example of Lilep,
Yeah.
So let's give him a chance.
Another thing,
Then we're jumping from
he
him.
might have chosen Chiefs, but is the coach really prefers how he plays? We don't know.
Maybe the coach ever planned.
No, I'm saying Guti, a
Your
player
coach
himself.
is 3 days ago.
No,
3 days old. I
you
mean,
don't get my point.
uh-huh.
The the player chooses Chiefs.
Yes.
Is the coach chooses him, or it's just the player that chooses?
Why would Chiefs make an inquiry if the coach don't want the player?
Okay, I know it answers the question. That one is settled. Let's move on. We have got Sundowns today playing against Fluminense
I don't know if this video is gonna drop
on a
today,
club
but
club
we're
club World
recording
Cup.
this video before Satan plays.
Yeah,
Yeah, they are playing Fluminense.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
What's your prediction?
Who? Satan is gonna win today, and it's gonna play Bula 16.
Okay.
The score is gonna
Okay.
be.
Guys, this is recorded. You just
The score is gonna be. The score is gonna be 2-1. Satan is winning.
Okay.
What's your take?
For me, I see Fluminense are winning 1-0.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shall see.
So we are different on this one. I don't see Sundowns going through.
From day one, you never supported Sundowns.
But I can't support Sundowns because I believe in Sundowns. I'm not a Sundown fan.
A football fan.
I'm a football fan. I react on what I see.
I need to be biased.
Yeah.
When it comes to our home team, I must support them.
We'll see. We'll see. This is this.
Either way, we made good prediction. We made good prediction. We said the way that was gonna get knocked out of group stages.
Yeah.
We said Esperance out, but with Al Hal, I think we didn't get it right.
Yeah.
Because we said they stand a chance after we saw the first game, but they got knocked out. So now sometimes my only last hope, guys.
Yeah.
Cabo Yellow.
Hey.
Cabo Yellow.
For the first time. Cabo Yellow for the first time.
I don't even know how to say it. Cabo Yellow. Yes. You have 58 fans today.
Yeah. The 58th fan is this one. A very special one. Yeah. Another thing, man. When we look internationally, um yesterday night, in fact, there were news about Leon
Hmm.
uh, being relegated.
Oh,
Yeah,
they finished. They finished number 6, right?
yeah, they finished number 6 on the log. Leon, for your information, guys, Leon is a French team that plays double PSG, same league. It's called League One, but one in South Africa. It's League One. Uh,
Now they're being relegated to
now
League Two.
they are being relegated, but at the same time they haven't been well or ngokoma.
They finished number 6.
Yes, ngokoma stats they not supposed to be relegated. uh kwenzakaleni?
I don't
Tell
know.
us, man. Tell
Okay,
us.
for my own understanding is
Yeah.
that Lyon as a club
Yes.
was owing 500 million euros dollars.
Euros.
Yeah. So Babase quality, right?
Yes.
And then their owner tried,
John Texter.
yeah, text, yeah, tried to. I think he was owning shares with Crystal Palace.
Yes. Yes.
He sold them to try save Lyon. Maybe not all of them. I don't. I'm not sure about that one.
Yeah.
But maybe some of it just to try sell Lyon.
Save them. Yes.
And then they tried to let go of big earners and special players
Yes.
so
Yes.
that they can cut costs. And then from his own pocket, he gave about 20,
True. Okay.
20 million euros.
Talking about Mapik Enas, we don't know how much the Ryan Checky
Yes.
earn, but Ryan Checky is the new Manchester City player. He was
Yes.
playing for Leon before.
Yes.
Yes.
So they let go of these players, trying to cut these costs to make sure
Yes.
they pay their debt.
Yeah.
You know, but I think after that Penny League, they were told they were given this thing. I think
Yeah.
2024 November
Yeah.
to say if they don't cover their costs, they will face this. And then they try to do all these things, but it never happened.
Okay.
So now they are told they are being relegated because if you look at the money that they owe, it's not feasible to say you're gonna start a new season owing this amount of money and then you're gonna survive. It's not feasible.
Basically, you can't run a club.
Yes,
now.
you can't. You can't. You know, as
You
much
know-
as we try to cut
You
the
know,
costs,
but
but
running a club involves okay, well, transfers are I would say it's the people that you are willing to let in.
yes,
But remember the squad, maybe it's like 25.
yes,
And there's technical team involved.
yes, too
So
much.
basically you would say like 50 employees
It's
more,
too much.
and all of them are having like different pay
Yes.
grades, if you may say. So all of that stuff, even running like Pesha akufana like South Africa where you rent a stadium, you actually own a
Own the
stadium.
stadium.
So that means that I'm a cost a stadium, even if if it's a sold out game, but you will only sell out a PSG game, maybe a Marseille
Not
game.
every game.
Not every game. That's the point. So some things
But
like
Pesha,
that
it looks
make
like
it
every game is sold out.
really difficult. It's not really that. It depends on the league.
Yeah,
EPL,
every
most
game
of
is
the
sold
time,
out.
yes, most of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. But guys, let us know, what do you say about this, because you can look at this and you say it's far from
Yeah.
us. Why do you tell us about this? But at the end of the day, everyone can go through this,
Yes.
because
Every team can
football
get in. Imagine if the
is
Kaizer Chiefs is not signing players, they saying Kaizer Chiefs is owing a lot of money, and Kaizer Chiefs needs to be relegated because they can't maintain the standard of PSL.
you see,
So what's gonna happen?
that's something big.
Yes.
So let us know on the comments.
What's your take? If you have more
yes.
information, just tell us.
tell us,
That's
tell
happening.
us. Yes.
You know.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Like.
hit that notification bell. You know, make sure that when we drop another video, you are there with
All the
us.
best to Masanta One.
Uh, Masandawana, I'm sorry.
We're gonna
But
drop
peace.
another video. We're gonna drop another video after Masandawana.
I'm sorry, Masandawana. I don't see you guys going through.
Danko.
Yeah. Danko Bafwetu. We'll see you on another one.